Hey, what's up? So today we are going to be cleaning the kitchen hook of this Rubin or Rubini, however you pronounce it. Alright, so we have not cleaned this for the last 6 months, and the oil has already accumulated to this much on the container. But the filter here seems to be a bit more nasty, and we have oil stains dripping all over the place. Alright, so we are going to be cleaning this up, and I'll show you how this can be done with just some simple probably what you have at home tools. Alright, what we'll be needing is a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead, a U-sponge, and some degreaser. This is actually the engine degreaser. Works as long as it works. Alright, so stay tuned. Okay, so to remove this, what we'll do is we'll remove the container over here first, which is something that's easy to be done. Then we'll follow with the 4 screws over here. Alright, so each hook may be different, so you might need to actually look at it. So I'm just going to use a sponge and just wipe off some of the oil here. Alright. Okay, so we'll be okay. Yeah. Okay. So we'll be able to see that the inside is also pretty nasty. Okay, so we'll be cleaning this up shortly. Alright, so we have put this into the sink and we'll be washing this, but just to explain how we're going to get into the deeper groove on the inside is that we will need to use the flathead screwdriver, as mentioned earlier. So what we'll do is we'll just pry some of the mounts here, and it will come out by itself. So I'll be showing you how that is done later. Alright? Yes. Alright, so we have taken it apart, and you can see the amount of oil on this layer, the inner layer and the outer layer. So it doesn't even drip down. Yeah. Here. Okay, so once these are out, it's as simple as just spraying it down with the degreaser and then scrubbing it. Okay, so the back portion is a bit more. Okay, so the back portion will require more care, a bit sharper than the other side. Right? Okay, you can see the difference immediately. between washed and not washed. Nice and shiny, oily and grimy. Is this what you want to be cooking on top of or underneath of? Yeah, underneath of. This is on top. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so putting it back on is simple as just flipping it back. So for this particular model, there's 8 clips. So yeah. Might take a bit of time to adjust it correctly. And there we have it. That's done. And now we move on to the hood by itself, alright? So same thing, just a sponge, just to clean it off a bit, rub it down. Okay, now that is cleaned, what we're doing is just give it a while to dry up. And now it's time to put it back. There we have it, we are done. Much cleaner. Much cleaner, alright?